Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cleaning motivational video for you. This is the day after the boys' birthday party and this weekend I really hadn't cleaned the house at all and things were just everywhere and not in their proper place. So I thought I would do a cleaning video for you guys and hope this gives you some much needed cleaning motivation for the weekend. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, let's get started. So I wanted to take these chair covers off and wash them because they were pretty disgusting. I hadn't washed these at all ever, and the boys tend to spill their drinks on there or their little Danimal yogurts. So I was planning on washing those later, and I'm gonna be decluttering some of their toys since they got a lot of new toys. I'm just gonna be decluttering them and putting some up and switching them out, so maybe in the future I can bring them out again and it'll be like a new toy for them. And I'm just going to be cleaning these Legos with the 7th generation disinfectant spray. And I'm going to be putting the Legos up because I honestly don't pay attention to them anymore. So these are some of the toys I'm putting up for later. And I'm going to be putting their toy bin in the closet just to save up some space in our living room since it is pretty small, and leave the newer toys outside for them to play with. And I'm going to be either donating or tossing these toys because they honestly never go for them or play with these at all. And these Legos, I'm going to be storing them upstairs. So this TV, even though we mounted it, it still tends to get the boys' fingerprints on them. So I'm just going to be wiping it down with the Windex electronics wipes and making those little fingerprints go away. Alright, so our dining room table always tends to have random things on there, and I'm just going to be putting it in its proper place and cleaning this area in our living room today. I'm going to be doing the kitchen in another video. I'm going to be deep cleaning it, so stay tuned for that video because it will be coming up soon. So my little helpers decided to join in and help me out. So they have their little vacuums there. So yeah, I'm just gonna be vacuuming the living room area and the dining room area as well. So we did get a new vacuum recently and I love it so far. It vacuums way better than our older ones because we did have the old one for about 5 or 6 years and it was definitely time for an upgrade. And yeah, I'm just gonna be vacuuming the sofas real quick.
from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk? Hey, you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you, or am I wrong?
as you can see, it was definitely time to vacuum under the sofas. They had random books here, a t-shirt. How often do you guys vacuum under your sofas? I tend to do it maybe every other month, or maybe once a month. It just depends. Comment down below and let me know how often do you vacuum under your sofas. So I'm just gonna finish up here and vacuum the dining room area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to join my family, and thank you guys so much for your continued support. I will see you guys on my next one.